going on, Marissa here. In this video, I'm going to cover the 5 simple steps I've put together on how somebody can get their foot in the door with making money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. I get a lot of questions of people following me saying, hey, Marissa, I want to do what you're doing, but I don't know where to start. Where exactly do I start when it comes to affiliate marketing? Any person that asks me this question from here on out, I'm literally going to send this video. So please watch the whole thing. Before I get started, if you want to know my #1 recommended affiliate marketing program, click the first link in my video description below. I'm going to come right here. Got my little whiteboard presentation kind of thing. I'm going to write the first step, right? So the first step is find your type. Whoops, not that. Type. Find your type. We're not going to overcomplicate this step. I find that a lot of people like to spend way too much time on this step, and you just end up like wasting a lot of time, and you end up procrastinating and all that. What do you like? Do you like cooking? Did you have an amazing weight loss transformation, and you want to talk about it, and you want to find products that could possibly help you even more on your journey and also can help other people? That is how you find your type. For me, I like finding affiliate programs that teach me things I can do on social media or utilizing the internet in some way, shape, or form to help me make money, and I like to share that with other people. That's the kind of affiliate program that I like to find. Some people don't like that type. Some people don't see the value in it. I do. I literally, if I wanted, could start a social media marketing agency based off the things I've learned in affiliate marketing programs and courses. I'm not kidding. I've actually helped businesses on the side, just give them tips on what they can do to increase their social media presence, and also helping them get more traffic to their websites and help them kind of open their mind when it comes to running a business and doing a lot of it from the internet. I'm talking about businesses that have nothing to do with what I do. Like, I've literally helped them. Like, if I wanted to literally start that kind of business, like a consulting business, I could do that, charge money for it. And I wouldn't have been able to learn that if it wasn't for the affiliate marketing programs I get myself involved in. So I love those kind. So that's step #1. Find your type of affiliate program. That's something that I can't necessarily do for you. You're going to have to feel that out. Step 2, hunt. What the heck do I mean by hunt? Well, now you have to find these products. You have to go out and see where these products are that you can get behind and promote. So I know the next question, where can we find these products? ClickBank is one resource that you can literally go to ClickBank, go type it up on Google, and you'll see there's a marketplace, and they have basically any niche, okay, where you can find your type of product, whether you want to do dating, whether you want to do weight loss, whether you do cooking, whether you want to do freaking hunting. I mean, there's like everything there. Some other sources are like the Warrior Forum, Munch Eye. Those are places you can find your types of programs or products you want to promote. What you'll end up finding is this process is very similar to like dating, right? You got to find your type, and you got to know, maybe if you're a guy, you hunt. Maybe for a woman, we don't really hunt, but maybe you put yourself around the people that you want. Anyways, so there's that. Don't move on to step 2 unless, okay, you've done step 1. And when you do find these products, please stay focused on that. Find 1 or 2 in the beginning and stick with them. And you'll have to learn how to not be distracted. And one of the ways you're not distracted when it comes to this affiliate marketing world is to know your type down pat. See, a lot of people will get from one thing to the next thing to the next thing to the next thing, and because they never figured out what type of program they really like the most. All right, so #3 will be spread the word. When you find your type and you find what you want to promote, it gets easier to want to talk about it, okay? If it's something you believe in or something you've already tried that has already given you some kind of result, it's really easy to spread the word. What do I mean by spread the word? Well, that also means marketing, okay? Now, you're probably thinking, okay, well, how do we spread the word? Where do we spread the word? So since I mainly market online, because you have the ability to literally reach way more people on the internet than you could knocking door to door or calling people or hosting little parties, trying to get your friends and family involved. You'll reach way more people if you learn how to utilize social media marketing platforms. Now you're like, okay, well, I'm not how do I start that? Go to where you hang out the most for your entertainment online right off the bat. If you're somebody that's a social media person, a lot of people have their social media platforms that they like the most. Some people are Facebook people. You like going to Facebook in your spare time. You see what people are posting. You see funny videos, whatever. You like being on that platform. Then start there. I am a YouTube person. Ever since freaking YouTube came out, when I was a lot younger, I loved YouTube. In high school, my close friends knew me. They called me the YouTube girl. Because every time I would almost every day I would come to school and I'd be like, oh my God, I saw this video on YouTube about blah, 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 blah. And I'm explaining these videos I'm seeing. They're like, oh my God, here she comes. She's going to talk about some YouTube videos. So when I got into affiliate marketing and I realized I gotta spread the word, the platform that I was a little bit nervous about, but I was like, I got to do it because I like being on the platform. It just made sense. It was YouTube. I wasn't a Facebook person. I wasn't a Instagram person. I wasn't a Twitter person. So I went to where I felt comfortable the most, and that was YouTube. If you're an Instagram person, that's where you're going to start. There are systems, and I like being in systems that show you how to utilize every single one of these social media platforms to spread the word about whatever you're in. And let's say you chose YouTube, all right, to share spread the word on your cooking product that teaches people tips and tricks on how to become a better cook. So maybe you would go to YouTube and you would create or have somebody else make videos for you that targeted people that would be interested in that product. So things that you could probably do were like how to be a better, I bet that I've never even done this, how to be a better cook. Literally, there are videos you can make on this topic that maybe you can give people a little bit of value, maybe some things you personally know how to do. Maybe it's how to prep in the kitchen a little bit better. Maybe it's how to meal plan. Maybe it's knowing how to use certain pots and pans, or getting the best types of pot and pans, or knife sets, or things like that. How to freaking dice an onion. This sounds maybe very simple or whatever, but that's how simple this is. Some people literally, look at how many people are typing in this keyword and actually are looking for videos on how to become a better chef or a better cook. It's insane. For the niche I'm in, I could literally make a video. If you're in the affiliate marketing MMO niche, you could make a video on how to make money online without a website. Literally, that's a keyword that people in this space are looking up because they don't have websites. Some people don't want to go through the process of wanting to really learn how to make a hardcore website, but they still want to make money. They still want to make money with affiliate marketing, or, they want to learn how to sell their unique product or service in a unique way without having a website. I can make a video targeting this. You can make a video targeting this. Literally, if you're in any of the systems that I'm with, this is something you can make a video with and target these people, or you can use on any platform, even Instagram, Facebook. Hopefully this is kind of making a little bit more sense. All right, so we're on number 4, and it is going to be collect humans. It sounds kind of funny. But basically, you need a holding place for the people you're targeting. Now, luckily, all these social media platforms, they all have their version of, kind of starting to collect your audience, starting to collect kind of a database of people who are actually following you personally. On YouTube, it's going to be subscribers, right? You start that whole process with that. For Facebook, there's actually 2 ways you can collect humans. It can be with followers and a friends list. If you can utilize both types of collecting people that are following you, building your audience, that's really what this is. I just wanted to say collecting humans because it's kind of funny. Anyways, and you say, well, why do we have to collect humans? Why do we have to do that? Well, that leads to number 5 and literally the last step, the final piece. And this is literally all affiliate marketing is. Retarget. Okay. This is literally all marketing is. That's the reason why we collect humans, is because some people don't buy straight away. If you're doing this right, if you're adding value, if you're helping people in some way, shape, or form, then you will make money. It's impossible to not make money. If you're not making with affiliate marketing, then you're not doing these steps correctly. Just this is just a bit this each one of these steps kind of have like a deeper depth to them, but I'm just again just these are just like the pre-steps to really getting your foot in the door and understanding what affiliate marketing is and how you go about like actually doing it. This is showing your offer again and again to people that are following you, okay? Or giving them value in some sense that makes them, reminds them of what you did have to offer. Let's say you're in the weight loss niche, right? And you're losing weight with something, maybe a class at your gym, right? And a friend notices and they're like, oh my God, you're slimming down. That's awesome. What are you doing? And you're like, well, you know, I'm eating right. But then you know what? There's this class I go to at the gym and you should do it sometime. You know, it's really great, you know, and your friend's like, oh, okay. You know, I may do it, right? So there you go. You've hit her one time, right? Or him one time with what you're doing, right? Let's say a week goes by, you meet up for lunch and they're like, you really are like losing weight. What the heck are you doing again? Like people do that all the time. And you're like, well, I'm eating right. You know, I'm doing some things at home, but you know what? There's this class at my gym that I'm taking that the instructor is freaking amazing. And I mean, like really motivates me to keep going. And it's just awesome a really awesome fat burning class. And they're like, okay, you know what? I think I'm going to do it. Do it right away. Maybe the next week, right? You show up and they're like, oh my God, you just keep losing weight until finally, right? They're going to be like, you know what? All right, I'm going to put away my fears or whatever it is that was holding them back. I'm going to go to that gym class with you. That's all this is. This literally happened. I'm making this example because that happened to my sister yesterday. She took a Zumba class for the first time ever, and it was absolutely hilarious. I wish I could post the video on here, but she probably would kill me if I did that. But, you know, my aunt was doing it, and she was telling my aunt she was going to go for like weeks. Things kept coming up, or she just, you know, didn't do it. She's putting it off. She finally decided to go yesterday, and the outcome was great. Make sure you freaking hit that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment if you need to leave a comment and ask me a question. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see my #1 way that I'm making money with affiliate marketing, a system that teaches you step-by-step what to do, okay, how to get about it. If you want to learn what I'm learning, literally, like I said in the beginning, I could take this information that I've learned from affiliate marketing and start a freaking social media marketing agency. I'm not even kidding. I've thought about doing it. The only reason why I haven't done it is I don't want to deal with clients. That's literally it. But I know people, all my friends that are doing it are people that usually came from the affiliate marketing industry in the MMO niche and that are now literally making thousands of dollars with one single client because of stuff that they're learning with affiliate marketing. So if that's something you want to do, click that first link, get started, and let's freaking go.